As you can see here in this video, I had a recent allergy to a new skincare product. As you can imagine, my skin was red, sore and puffy, and I wanted to get rid of the reaction as quickly as possible. So I'm going to go through in this video what you should do and how to treat your skin as quickly as possible. When you introduce a new product into your skincare regime, there is a chance that you might get a skincare reaction. And this can be true even if a product is marked with these terms. Recognizing the signs of an allergic reaction on your skin is crucial, and knowing then you should stop that product. How to spot an allergic reaction. An allergic reaction due to a new product can be called contact dermatitis. It can occur immediately after use, or it can take several days to get the full impact of the product. It's really important to notice any new changes after you introduce a new product into your skincare regime. In my case, it was a reaction to a new sunscreen. Symptoms of an allergic reaction. With allergic reactions, you have different scales of an allergy. The symptoms that I'm going to go through now are the ones you should look out for on your face. With allergic reactions, you can have a change in the severity of symptoms. Sometimes you can have severe reactions like anaphylaxis, which is life-threatening. Redness. Your skin might be redder than usual, marking irritation or inflammation on your skin. Itching. An intense itching can also be there. Swelling. Some areas may swell due to inflammation, and that's normally around your eyes, your lips, blistering or oozing. In severe cases, your skin may start to blister. Dryness or flaking skin. The skin may become unusually dry or start to peel or flake off. Quick remedies to treat your symptoms. As you can imagine, having a reaction on your face can make you feel quite self-conscious, and it did for me as well, so I wanted to treat my skin as quickly as possible. Number one, I stopped using any new products and went back to the products I knew my skin could handle. Number two, rinse with cold water. If you're having an immediate reaction to your product, it's important to wash that just with plain cold water. Number three, cold compress. As you can see there in the video, my eyes were really swollen, so I used a cold compress to reduce the swelling and inflammation. Number four, if you have a lot of itching and inflammation, you might prefer something from the pharmacy, like an antihistamine. Antihistamines can really help with the swelling and itching by reducing the level of inflammation. They're especially useful if you're having a reaction all over your body. Steroid creams. Steroid creams could be used to reduce the inflammation, but this will depend on where you're having a skincare reaction, because the skin on your face is very sensitive and you have to be careful which products you apply. If you are experiencing a lot of itching and swelling, sometimes a 1% steroid cream could be safe to use. Moisturizing your skin. Using a gentle, fragrance-free moisturizer is the step I took, so regularly moisturizing using cold compresses and helping the skin barrier to repair itself. And the last step was I avoided anything that might make the skin worse. So that meant for me avoiding too much sun exposure, any new products on my skin, making sure I'm keeping well hydrated, just allowing my skin to heal itself. When to see a doctor. If a reaction is severe and it's covering a large part of your body, or it's not getting better, it's always best to see a doctor. In some cases, we need to give stronger steroids or stronger antihistamines than what you can get from the pharmacy. If you ever think you're having a severe allergic reaction like anaphylaxis, it's important to get immediate medical attention. Prevention tips. So what's the best way of treating a skincare reaction? Well, it's really important to prevent them in the first place. So before you use a new product, it's important to try a patch test somewhere here or somewhere where it's not very visible on your skin to make sure your skin is not going to react. Home remedies. A lot of my patients want to know what the best home remedies are for skincare reactions. Well, I've gone through the 5 best tips, but I'm just going to go through some additional home remedies. Aloe vera gel. This is something a lot of people keep at home, and this can be really good at helping to soothe the skin. Specific types of honey, like Manuka honey, can be anti-inflammatory and antibacterial, which can really help the skin healing. But remember, you have to check which type of honey you've got. Oatmeal. Oatmeal can also be anti-inflammatory, and there's a lot of skincare products with oatmeal inside. In some shops you can buy oatmeal and then you can use that in the bath and convert it into a paste. For a soothing oatmeal bath, you can grind oatmeal into a paste and apply it into the bath. But again, you need to follow the instructions on the packet if you buy oatmeal. If I can ask for a favor, if you click the subscribe button, it really helps my channel to keep growing and for me to keep producing new healthcare content. Thank you so much for watching The Travelling Duck.